JJ in the kitchen with a smile so bright, whisking up the batter in the morning light. Flour on his nose, it's a comic sight. He's got all the ingredients to make them up just right. Biscuit on the counter, in a bowl with eggs and milk. JJ's mixing magic to perfection to make the batter smooth as silk. Flipping fun with JJ, we sing along. Morning starts happy with a breakfast song. Golden brown delights, never get it wrong. Smiles in every bite, now let's all belong. JJ makes his pancakes in every shape and size. The butter and the syrup makes a sweet surprise. Chef JJ's our special wonder, and he made us all a treat. Pancakes are a specialty that we cannot wait to eat.